In order to use Screen Recorder on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all we need to go to the Control Center or Quick Settings. Once you open this panel, then over here we should be able to find Screen Record option, and it is available by default in here, so we can tap on that button. Then we can decide if you want to record just one specific app or if you want to record the whole screen. You can also choose which audio you want to include in the recording, whether it should be the device audio, microphone, or both. And of course, remember to use the switcher to actually activate the audio for your recording. And also we can show touches and taps on the screen. Once you are ready, we can tap on the record screen button. Then here we have the countdown, and once the timer starts, then of course we begin our recording. If you tap on that timer, you should be able to easily stop the recording. You can also go to notifications in order to find the screen recorder notification, in which you can also stop the recording quite easily. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.